Work on yourself. Remember, if you're good, you'll be able to bless, to build, and to bear fruits. So one thing that you need to do is to work on yourself. How do you work on yourself? You need to be able to evaluate, look at your life. How am I living my life? As a great and a wonderful person, get time to evaluate your time. Hi, how are you? This is Syaviha here. Today I'll be talking about work on yourself if you want to progress. And if you want the best, do you want the best? You need to learn to work on yourself. You need to learn to evaluate your life. You need to learn to correct. One of the things that you need to do, change the way you look at things. And you need to change, check your behavior, check your behavior, and you need to choose wisely. Check your behavior, change, and choose wisely. That will be able to help you. But also in life, you need to be humble. Be willing to learn. Be humble. Humility is a secret. Wherever you go, if you are not humble, you will lose. But wherever you go, if you are humble, you'll get a lot. So humble yourself, you'll be lifted, you'll be able to inspire, even bless people. The second quality also you need to have is honesty. Try your best to be honest. People love working with people who are honest. Also, the third one, you need to be hardworking. Whatever you find, do it with all your heart and do it well. It's very, very important. And I will tell you that you need to be thankful in life. Don't be a complainer if you want to be happy. Also, trustworthy, someone that they can trust. Also, be teachable. In other words, be ready to learn if you want to lead and live. Be teachable. Are you ready? Can you stand correction? There are some people who cannot accept to be corrected. They are always right. Oh, my dear, you need to learn. In life, I always say you are both a teacher and a student. What do I mean? In other words, you are teaching people. You're also learning something. So you need to have a teachable spirit. Say, I am ready to learn. And let me tell you that for me as an author, I learn from people, even children inspire me a lot. They can give me a topic. Let me tell you. So you need to be teachable. So you need to check your life, change your life, choose wisely, be humble, and also honest and hardworking, thankful, teachable, and trustworthy. These things will be able to help you. So work on yourself if you want to see great things happening in your life. My prayer is that you'll be able to grow, progress, and do great things. Thank you so much for watching. This is Syaviha here. You're such a wonderful person. Please subscribe to this great and wonderful channel, and share it with someone, invite someone, and also say something the comment I'll appreciate. God bless you.